Don't worry, little one. I'm back.
The storm will pass soon, dear.
The storm is quite fierce tonight.
I'm glad we are all here together.
Would you like me to get some more wood?
Yes, dear, thank you.
The mountain river must be full after this rain. The fire keeps us warm. Watch the rice swirl, little one. You look beautiful.
Thank you, Grandma. Ah, that's better. This is nice and warm.
Do you remember last year? It's not the same without him. But we still have each other.
Hello, it's me.
Come in, dear.
Did you hear that? What was that? It's the door. Welcome home, son.
It's good to be back.
You must be soaked.
Daddy!
Look who's here!
We missed you! Daddy's home.
Hi, Dad. We missed you.
I'm glad you're home, dear.
Me too, my love. It's a rough night out there. Welcome home, son. I've missed you.
It's good to be back, Dad.
Thank you for this meal and for our family.
Amen.
This is delicious. Perfectly crispy.
I saw a tiny squirrel trying to carry an acorn bigger than himself. He just kept falling over.
Oh, Papa, tell me more.
That's a good one.
Welcome home.
Thank you. It's good to be here.
We're so glad you're safe. Good sleep, son.
The storm won't reach us in here.
We're all safe and warm together.
Look at this picture in the book.